I am Kelly Haas, and I am our Director of Training and Development. My journey began with NHS in 2021. I was hired as a Regional Director of Operations. I have a passion for training and development, and I was really excited to find a company that had the same values. And I was able to go and start training the teams, the properties, our corporate team, and then a position opened where I was able to move full-time into training and development in February of 2022. Hospitality management is taking business and making it a home. There's so much of what we do every single day, working with our guests, working with our team, and it's difficult sometimes. You know, you have your struggles, you have your good days, you have your bad days, you have all kinds of things that you get to celebrate, and being able to do that with your team, that's really where the magic happens. NHS is strong. We're strong in our values, we are strong in our day-to-day operations, we are strong on our team with our talent, and that's what really makes us different. I love that we are quick, I love that we are honest, and that we are ready to make changes where we need to. We think outside of the box, and most importantly, that we have the talent where we're able to do that. NHS culture is fun. That's the only way to say it. I am so blessed that every single day I get to be with this team. The emails that we send out, the communications that we have, everything that we do is just really on that level of making it our home, making it something that's really fun where we can all be together. One of my favorite initiatives that NHS has is our travel voucher program. Our travel voucher program is anyone that's been working with us for 6 months, they get 7 free travel vouchers. They can give them to any of their friends and family, they can use them for themselves, and they get to stay for free at any of our NHS properties. And then every single year on their anniversary, they get 7 more travel vouchers. So we see probably, when I see the requests come through, I probably see about 20 a day where we have our associates, you know, really wanting to use these for the special times with their families. So what candidates can look for when they're first joining our family is that they're going to go through a full onboarding experience. We like to take our GMs, our directors of sales, our department leaders away from the properties for their first week. It's really important because we want them to be able to focus on learning NHS. Let's learn the cultures. Let's learn what's going to be expected of you every day. Let's get you all of your accesses. Let's set up your computer. We do all of those things in that first week with you so that you don't have to worry about that. When you go back to your properties, you have that base already. You're already set up for success, and you're ready to dive in straight with your regionals and really be able to take on the property, go through those day-to-day operations, and get you set up for success. My ultimate goal with training and development is really to continue to bring training as a resource within NHS. In the past couple of years, our industry has kind of been in recovery mode, trying to kind of get things back together, and I am really lucky that I'm with NHS and they were able to see this as the resource that it is. I am excited that we are able to bring coaching, counseling, training as a breath of fresh air into our industry and into our organization, and really be that leading factor that sets us above the rest.